your proud papas. Hope you're all fine and your babies are also doing great. So if you don't take enough precautions, or maybe for other reasons like loose motions or diarrhea in babies, babies can get diaper rashes when you are using diaper for your baby. But don't worry, it is treatable at home. All you need to do is watch this video till end, because today in this video I am going to share some tips about the way you can treat your baby's diaper rashes at home. To watch more videos on baby care, mother care or pregnancy, please subscribe to my channel. And let's move towards today's video now. So very first tip that I would like to give you is to treat your baby's diaper rash as soon as you spot it. A simple redness in diaper area or a simple boil in your baby's diaper area may not make them very uncomfortable, or your baby may not even realize about any kind of pain or any kind of rash. But it is best to treat it as soon as you see anything like that, because when the rashes are very small it may not hurt your baby, but there are cases when the baby diaper rashes can get actually very severe, or it may also get infected, and then your baby can suffer a lot and it can be very painful. So it is best to treat it as soon as you spot it. The best way or the simplest way to treat it is by using a good diaper rash cream that we will talk about later in this video. But right now I would just like to tell you that just keep an eye on your baby's body and check if you find any kind of diaper rash. You have to act early. Keep your baby's diaper area clean and dry. Whenever your baby is having a diaper rash, you should clean that area with a lukewarm water and a soft cotton cloth or a muslin cloth. Wipes are also fine, but make sure that you are not using wipes which has alcohol. Also, while cleaning your baby's diaper area, make sure that you do not rub the area. Instead, you should tap gently on your baby's diaper area to clean it. And also make sure that you are using a right size of diaper so that the diaper is not so tight that is causing a rash. And also make your baby wear some comfortable and breathable clothes. The best way to keep your baby's diaper area dry, to keep your baby diaper free as much as possible. Well, I use diapers for Amanthi like 24/7, but I made sure that within a day there were at least 1 to 2 hours that she used to be diaper free. I used to remove her diaper when she used to be asleep, and that really helped me to prevent diaper rashes for my baby. Even if she had diaper rashes sometimes, like during teething or whenever she used to have loose motions or something, it used to be really minor, and I used to be able to take care of it or to be able to treat it on time. But recently, when she was down with diarrhea, she had a pretty good amount of diaper rashes. Well, still it was not severe, but till this time she never really had diaper rashes. Even if she had, it was very minor. So recently when she had diaper rashes, it was really difficult for her to manage, because in the morning that day she did not have any diaper rash, but till the end of the day there were a lot of diaper rashes, and it was so much that it was actually making her very uncomfortable, and she was actually getting afraid whenever I used to try to change her diaper because it was hurting her. So that was the time when I realized that this is time to make her, keep her diaper free, because continuous motions were making her skin irritate and the diaper rashes were growing rapidly. So keeping her diaper free, of course it was difficult to manage because she was passing motions continuously, but it really helped me to prevent the growth of those rashes. It may not be possible to stop the diaper rashes completely by keeping your baby open, keeping your baby diaper free, but it definitely helped me to at least prevent the growth of diaper rashes. If you are using diapers when your baby is having diaper rashes, please try and use super absorbent disposable diapers. Well, nowadays there are many kind of diapers available in the market, one of which is reusable cloth diapers. Well, when your baby is having a diaper rash, Your baby's skin can be very sensitive to soap or fragrances in the detergent. When you use a cotton nappy for your baby during this time, it may not affect so much, but if you're using a cotton or cloth cloth diapers for your baby, and if it is not completely dry, or if there is some amount of soap on it, or maybe the detergent that you use to wash your baby's cloth diapers has some fragrances in it, it may affect your baby's rashes and it can irritate your baby's skin and make the condition worse. So if it is not possible for you to make or to keep your baby diaper free all the time, and you want to use diapers, please try and use disposable super absorbent diapers during this time. Diaper rash cream. Well, nowadays there are so many diaper rash creams available in the market. Use a suitable and good diaper rash cream for your baby. The diaper rash creams which has zinc in it are good for your babies, and actually petroleum jelly can also be used as a diaper rash cream for your baby. Vaseline can be a good example for that. Well, I used A&D diaper rash cream for my baby from very beginning, and it is it is pediatrician recommended, and it is from Bayer's, which is a very good pharmaceutical company. So this really helped me to prevent diaper rashes for my baby. So how these creams actually work? Well, when you apply a diaper rash cream on your baby's skin and your baby soils the diaper, then it acts as a barrier in between your baby's skin and the soiled diaper, and so protects your baby's skin. Recently, when Amanti was down with diarrhea, she had good amount of diaper rashes. So I started keeping her diaper free, and once her motions were in control, I again started using diapers for her, and this time I actually used Aqua 4 as a diaper rash cream for her. So this is actually healing ointment. This is something that I use to prevent rashes, but this is a healing ointment, and I was surprised by the way it works, because Amanti had a good amount of diaper rashes, and by using this Aqua 4, I use it every time I change my baby's diaper during that time, and I was amazed to see the results, because so much of diaper rashes were actually gone within a day. Like till the next day, it was almost completely gone. So I would really recommend you to use this diaper rash cream if your baby is having a diaper rash. Well, it is very important to know when to contact your pediatrician. Well, normally diaper rashes can be treated at home, but there are cases when it can get severe, or it can also get infected. So the symptoms when your baby's diaper rash is infected are as follows. If there are blisters on the diaper area, if your baby is having fever, redness, swelling of the area, pus or discharge that drains from the diaper area, rash will not go away after treatment or start to worsen. So these are the symptoms. If you find anything like that, you have to contact your pediatrician. Your baby's simple diaper rash can also get secondary fungal or yeast infection, which is called candidiasis. It appears bright red and raw. It can sometimes be found in the creases of skin with spots of the red rash outside of the diaper area, on the abdomen or thighs. These are known as satellite lesions. Contact your doctor if you notice anything like that. Also, if your baby is very uncomfortable, or you see that your baby is crying or screaming continuously in pain, so that is also one of the symptoms that you should contact your doctor. So that's all for today. I hope that helps. Let me clarify that I am not a doctor. I am just trying to share my experiences with you guys. Let me know in comment box how do you like my videos. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.